welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, me and Elon are going to be teaching you guys how to make little DIY ornaments. We're parents.
Sorry,
let's get into the video.
Okay, so first thing you need are some ornaments. If you want one, just get one. But we are using, we have 4, 2 for each of us, and we have this. And also, all you're going to need is some paint and maybe a spot to work. So yeah. So here are the paints that we are having.
Lovely.
Yeah. So we have these paints, but we're not going to use them because they're really like chunky and bad. Don't really use these. They're not the best.
So I'm going to do first a green one. And so you're going to need a bowl.
Yeah, you're going to, no.
Wait, no.
I'm going to be teaching her today because she's never done this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So you're going to open it first, of course. And you're going to pick 2 colors. 2 colors is best. Maybe 3 if you want. Is there any white? I wish there was white paint.
Okay, I'm going to do a dark green and a light green.
I'm going to do a red. No, there's no red. I'll use this. No, I'm going to be needing a bowl because this, paint is, no, that wouldn't work.
Just get it wet.
Oh, wait. So but I need a little bowl because I said not to use this type of paint. It's because it's really chunky and stuff, and it's best not to use it. But I'm gonna water it down and then put it in a funnel into this.
Don't forget
the thing.
Shake up the paint
before
shake it up. Use it.
This is not shaking. Okay. See, look how thick. Look how thick and globby that is. That's hard to squeeze out, and
Okay, can I use it?
It's not
good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. I'm gonna teach you how to do it because it's kind of hard to do it.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
Wait. So you have to take the paint and you have to swerve it around on the edges because you want to put it on the edges like that. Okay.
Yep.
So tilt it, and yeah, it should work.
That's water. They're like this.
Oh my God! Look at that. It looks like.
Stop pumping me.
Sorry.
You're moving the
Sorry,
thing.
but look at that. It looks so weird. It's not even absorbing the water, the paint. That's how thick and weird.
Okay, this is not working.
It isn't. You have to move it on the side. Kara, you have to
I don't care.
Okay.
How much do I use? Okay.
Oh my God! I added too much water.
Okay, use like this much.
Not really. Okay.
And then get your other paint. I'm scared to pop it open.
Sorry, guys. My process is taking a lot longer. It's because I have to water down paint and then put it in a funnel and then
Can you open this? This is
yeah.
not.
Those are hard. I'll help.
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom!
Mom needs to come in.
Mom!
Yeah, I think I got it. Guys, gonna attempt number 2.
Oh my
got
God.
it. Got it, guys.
I'm getting more paint because I added too much water to it, and that is not good. You don't want it too thin. I mean, it's good to have it thin, but not too thin.
Got it.
Oh my God. Ew, this looks disgusting.
Put it in. Okay.
Next time, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this anymore.
Oh,
I'm not doing this.
I got it on side.
Okay.
I'm
not doing that. Let's just forget what
Okay,
I
now
just did
okay.
there. We're just going to do some yellow and green. That's good. Christmas colors. Because there is literally no red. Besides for that red. But, it doesn't work.
And then you're going to put the
lid on. I'll help you with that. That's
the
really
lid
hard.
on.
Okay. You can do it.
Just
Ow. Can you open this?
Yeah, hold up.
Because you somehow opened the other one.
Mom! Okay. And just like
I
this.
don't want to break my nail.
Close it. And then
Kara, what the heck?
why isn't this?
Oh my God.
Got it.
No, don't do that.
Okay.
Okay, see that thing right there?
Okay.
Technical difficulty. Which one?
Okay, guys. So once you're done doing that, put it in a cup so it could drip out, whatever, like, didn't go on the side.
I haven't done mine yet.
Let it sit. Yeah, Elon hasn't done hers yet.
Okay,
She's
so.
gonna do it now.
Okay, I need to scoot over.
I had a little incident and it got all.
Yeah, it was a big one, not little.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Elon, take it away.
One drip. Two drip. Gotta put it on the sides.
Jingle bells.
Batman's been Robin laid an egg. Oh, what fun it is to ride in horse open sleigh.
So mine did not. I tried putting mine on the side and it didn't work.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a horse open sleigh. You have to lean it a lot.
So this is the first one we're going to do. And then we're going to do a second activity.
Wait, are we going to do another ornament?
No.
Okay.
Well, yes, we're doing another thing for the ornament, but something different.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this done when I am all done, like, dripping it all into the side. Okay, so
guys.
here's this one.
Sorry about the background noise.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
That's really loud.
Second activity.
It's the glitter one.
So for this one, you need a funnel.
Well, you don't need one. It's
But like for these ones, since they're big nozzles.
have a little funnel with you.
Do you have another one?
No, I need one.
Huh?
I need one.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
so we're going to pick our glitter. I'm going to use that gold too.
Okay, I'm gonna use
I'm
Christmas
gonna
colors.
use Christmas colors
again.
too. I want to use a Christmas color too. That sounds.
You can share with mine.
Okay. You know, I'm gonna make a winter. Like a winter.
Pretty.
Okay, so.
Okay. Can I go first?
What? I need to wait. Can I do this?
So
you
Anna's
hold
gonna
this?
do hers first.
Wait, this is my bad hand to hold it. Okay.
So you used a funnel.
Whoa, it looks like a.
It's a lot.
Yeah, I know. It's really pretty. Do you want some of this?
No.
Okay.
Actually, yes, I do. But you can use it.
Wait, I'm gonna jump out. Okay.
Don't mind my fingernails.
Yeah. Okay.
That was from the Wait, Anna, I want to make sure it, like, never mind.
I'll hold it.
Okay. And that's my turn. I'm only going to do this gray one right now. How much do I use?
Silver.
Silver.
As much as you want.
How much did you use?
Like that much. A little more. Yeah, I think that much. Okay.
Again, sorry about the background noise.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So
next one, I am going to be doing this right here. We only really need the funnels for these kind of tube-ish, like.
but still, they're really fun to have. Like, not fun to have, like.
Wait, can I have these real quick? I'm gonna finish my tunnel using. Your
funnel.
Tunnel, whatever.
Was that all?
Same thing.
Okay. And now I'm gonna do mine.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now
I'm gonna do it for
now
this one too, just because.
you don't really need the funnel for
I
those.
don't care.
I would use a dumping.
Okay. And my red one. That's so pretty. Okay.
Okay, now
And
we're gonna
now-
go back in here.
Okay, this is mine.
Don't shake it up. I would add this.
Then
I'll do
you
this.
wanna add up your top? I got it.
You're gonna bend. Wait, don't bend the floor.
I try not to.
Okay. I'm gonna. some of this blue because I want it lighter. I want to have a lighter blue too.
So yeah, then you want to put up the top.
Oh, whoa, that was not good.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm just going
like
to add
this.
some blue. More blue.
And then what you're going to do, shake it so the glitter gets all on the
counter.
No.
Yeah, it is. See? It's on the, no, it's not. Wait, don't, I can.
What?
Don't shake it over the counter because it's tons of glitter.
Okay. And then it looks like this, nice and glittery.
I'm going to add the
And yeah, that's how you do this one. Elin is still doing hers.
The chemist, guys. Wait a second. I'm still need to use that real quick.
Can I add some? Never mind.
What?
All right, guys. Okay. We will get back to you once hers is all finished.
Yeah. So I finished mine. I added some heart sprinkles in there too. Just gonna add my little.
Okay, I'm giving this one to my dad and this one to my mom.
Okay, so I'm gonna just need to mix mine up. Look at that. Some little ASMR mixing. Where's the thing?
Thing.
You know the tunnel thing?
I don't know. You put the tunnel. Oh, it's over there.
Why? Where? I don't see it.
The tunnel?
No, not the funnel. No.
Oh, this.
No, this glitter.
Oh, it's over here. It's over here. There you go.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry, guys. I'm gonna mix this up. Oh, that noise. It's like, oh my God.
Doesn't really.
Yeah, it's just a holographic, and it's so pretty. I think it's beautiful because it's like snow. It's like snow. I love that one. That one's cute.
Alright, guys, that's going to close up today's video.
Yep.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and try these out.
Oh, they're really easy and fun.
Make these sit overnight. Well,
Yeah.
not really overnight, but just like
For a couple
an
days.
hour.
For a couple days.
For like
Yeah.
an hour
No, a couple.
or something.
No, these have to sit for like 5 days.
And then
An hour, it'll still be dripping.
Yeah.
But they'll sit for 5 days, and then these are perfectly fine. They're really easy and fun to do because, like, look at them. They also stick to the sides, as you can see. There's some on the bottom, but they like mostly stick to the side, and they're so pretty. Gold and silver.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, comment down below what our next video should be. Bye, guys.